Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to a brand new episode of the Soulful Synergy Hub. Hope they have an amazing day so far, and please know that I'm sending love and light to everybody who's listening to this episode. And I just want to say thank you so much for the support. And I would love it if you're a new person, if you like and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. Now, I want to talk about something very important, which I feel a lot of people see as fact, and the answer is yes, I do agree, but what is the question? Is there a multiverse? I feel like we all believe that there is a multiverse out there in some way, shape, or form. And it's up to us to realize that this can be used as a massive advantage to get what we truly want in this lifetime. Now, one of the dimensions, the high dimensions that I read off, one of the highest ones is whenever you have a single thought, that creates a new lifeline. So if you think I want peanut butter, there's a lifeline where you start to get the peanut butter. If you think to yourself, I want to go and do a stretch, there's a lifeline where you do a stretch. So every little thought that has an action to it creates a new multiverse. And these are just several universes going along at the same time with different objectives. Now, this is very important and I can't justify it in just under 5 minutes. So I'm just going to keep it very important that I show you how you can use your multiverse as a tool to get to where you truly want to be. Now, with the multiverse, we need to realize that there's several million multiverses right now where we are at this exact same point but doing different things because we made a different choice. Now, what we can do is we can use a meditation to make sure that we start aligning towards a chosen reality, because let's be honest, if there is hundreds of millions of multiverses that you have created, then there is a strong chance that I wouldn't say a high, but a decent percentage, let's say decent, of your multiverses consist of you actually being a multimillionaire financially. Now we need to use meditation to visualize what we look like in one of these said multiverses. Maybe you thought of something that was breakthrough technology. Maybe you made a hit song. Maybe you just spoke to the right person at the right time instead of the wrong time. There are so much things to consider therefore when it comes to finding the right multiverse that suits with us and aligns with us. Now we need to think to ourselves, we need to visualize, and this takes quite a while. It could take a few days, it can even take a few months. But think, how would you look like if you were a multi-millionaire? What would you be doing if you're a multi-millionaire? What path did you do that deviated from your current path now, and what point did things interject and change? Your intersection has changed into a fork in a road, and where was that specific point where you started seeing the changes? And you need to concentrate and you need to work on this every waking moment. I would actually say before you fall asleep, spend half an hour or until you fall asleep just thinking about this person. Once you start doing that and you have the thoughts and imagination in your head, you can actually start doing things bit by bit to make that reality your chosen reality. Sometimes you just need to dress the right way. Sometimes you need to be more social. Sometimes you need to write down all the ideas you have at every waking moment. And sometimes you even need to make sure that you're taking notes of your dreams. Because all these things put together, trust me on this, can actually align you to the person you want to be. It doesn't have to be about money. It could be about happiness. It could be finding the love of your life. It could be having your children. It could be having the job you want. You need to own in and find out what you truly want, and you need to spend a lot of time owning in to your potential and your capabilities too. So my question to you is, will you do the inner work to make sure that the multiverse you want to be aligning with is in your priority and to-do list? Or will you just continue living your current reality?